What's up, everybody? This is Prizm Deca. One box. Pick your team number 13. Good luck, guys. So, buddy, was there high transaction rates now that it's at 356? Probably by the next price drop, you'll probably start to see the transaction issues. All right. Guess the first. First orange or better. First orange or better for 20. Go quickly. First orange or better for 20. You should try and add it on the very next drop. Just try and add it to your cart and see if there's high transactions. Because if there's high transactions, it's probably not a bad idea to buy like one or two. Turner rookie. Blue of Justin Jefferson. Nice. Vikings. EB. Brennan Rice. Silver. Harrison Smith. Got a mojo. Here's your guess. Here's your guess. Sam Darnold on the blue. We have a mojo. Nobody would have guessed him, unfortunately. Number to 30, Jalen Johnson. We will roll your guess. Oops. I will roll your guess. We had double parallels there. And I have oil on my hand now, apparently. Sherman. Purple. It's a nice Bucky auto. Nice. For Duke on the base Bucky autograph. AP silver and a purple of Cooper. Bobby. I think that was on the kill. Nice to Gene. Another mojo. Here's your second attempt. For 20. Oh, that's a sick Marino. Dolphins came out kind of late, I think. Perez. 12 of 30. Rasheen. Red for the Ravens. Got it in cart quick at 333. Yeah, so do it again on the next one. There's a chance. I mean, if you're telling me that, there's a chance it drops to like 280. It's a good chance. Roman. Jerome Ford auto for the Browns. Red of the MVP, Jared Goff from our brother Ozzie Ryan. Brian Thomas. Purple. Knicks. Vinatieri purple. Corbin's off to the hot start. Red. Javante on the red. Our last pack. Nothing really came out of this case yet. It's only the third box in the case, but usually we're seeing something by now. Blue. Singletary on the blue. Not the best box, guys. Not the best box on that one. I would say check it in your cart like once it hits 300 and see. Once you start seeing the transactions getting heavy where it doesn't let you add it to your cart, I would at least buy, like if you're gonna buy 5 packs, I would at least buy one. Or if you're gonna buy 10 packs, I'd buy like 20% of what you plan to buy. Once it starts telling you that it's heavy transactions, I'd buy at least 20% of what you want to buy. Because if you buy the other 80% at the next level below and the next level below that, like you're usually pretty good. Dan the Man. One off his jersey too. And that was the break, guys. Thank you.